Hey there, Algebra 1. Hope you guys had a great first week back. This is our second week. Hopefully you guys didn't get an attendance email from me. Hopefully you guys got your attendance in and you had done everything that you needed to do last week. Even if you didn't receive that attendance email from me, you know that you can always still make attendance by Friday at 11 or 12. I think it's technically 11 because of the way that K-12 is not in our time zone, but I'll accept up until midnight. So make sure that you guys are doing that, okay? Now, before this week starts, you need to go back and you need to reevaluate exactly what you did for my class already. We had 3 quizzes that were due. Hopefully you guys completed all of them, and hopefully you guys are passing all of them. You need to have at least a 3 out of 5 on each quiz in order to get a passing grade for my class, in order to get a 60%. That being said, if you missed a quiz, if you didn't do one, or maybe you didn't get a good grade, go back and retake it. Remember, you're allowed to retake those quizzes as often as you want, so make sure that you are taking full advantage of that. This upcoming week, we have 3 more quizzes due. So if you have 6 quizzes due total, you need to be doing at least, well, it depends on what your grade is. If you're only getting 3 out of 5s on them, you need to do all of them. If you're getting 4 out of 5s, you can probably get away with doing, let's see, 30, 5, 4 is 20. I think you could get away with doing 4 of them. But anyway, regardless, you don't want to skip any quizzes, okay? You guys want to make sure that you complete them all. Something else that you may have noticed, if you haven't been in my class before, Friday morning I put in zeros for the first 2 quizzes that were due that week. I'm going to do that so that you guys realize you may be failing my class if you don't continue to do those, okay? I'm always going to put in zeros. Now, if you want to go and redo those, you can still go back and redo them. Just because I put a 0 in doesn't mean that you can't take it anymore. So please make sure that you guys are going back and doing those. Now, as for this week, we have some flip videos coming up. So make sure that you guys watch those. We have flip videos for Monday and for Tuesday in class. Those need to be watched before Monday's class. So the video for Monday needs to be watched before Monday's class, so either that morning or Sunday or something. And then you have to watch Tuesday's video before you watch Tuesday's class. Now maybe you guys aren't attending the Class Connect, so you can just watch the recording of those, but still make sure that you watch that video first and then you watch the recording so that you guys are sure you understand everything that's going on in class. Now this week is going to be a little strange because Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we actually have 3 CCSS days, which mean Common Core State Standards. Those are the new standards that our state is moving to, and they are a little tougher than usual. You are not graded on this stuff yet, so don't stress about it. It is a really good class to come to, though, so that you guys understand what you need to be learning in the future. And it also helps to challenge you guys, those of you who kind of breezed through Algebra 1 or have done so far, thus far, and you're still feeling like it's pretty easy. You can come and get a little bit of a challenge from those. There won't be any graded assignments on those days, but you do have bonus opportunities. So there's still stuff for you to do in class on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, okay? I highly suggest trying the bonus opportunities. I will go over more questions with you guys about those in class on Wednesday if you have questions about how you earn those Khan Academy bonus points, okay? Also remember that your bonus point opportunities are in a link in the weekly checklist, so check your K-mails Monday morning to find the bonus opportunities. I think that's about it. We're moving quickly in Algebra 1. We're getting on to some much harder things than we did in the first semester, so please make sure that you guys are not waiting until the last minute to do your quizzes. Don't wait until the last minute to come and ask me for help. Also, if you can, refrain from coming into live help before classes actually happened. I will probably answer a lot of questions in class, so please either watch the Class Connect at the actual time or watch the class recording before you come into live help and ask me a bunch of questions about the unit, okay? It'll just help me to not have to repeat myself 100 million times so that I can kind of focus on the kids that really, really, truly need the extra help instead of trying to answer things that we haven't even had a chance to get to yet, okay? I hope you guys have another great week, and I will see you guys all later.